Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to solve sum number 6 of dissolution, which is given on page number 311. Let us see the sum. Book value of machine is rupees 5,000, which is taken over by partner Darshan for rupees 55,000. Friends, machine is an asset and which is taken over by one partner. So first of all we will be closing the asset and then we will give entry for its realization, which is taken over by a partner. So first of all, to close the machine we will have to debit realization account and credit machinery account, because machinery is a asset and it is having debit balance. So to close it we have to credit it. Okay, so this is the entry. Realization account debit to machine account rupees 50,000, being machine account is closed and transferred to realization account. Okay, now friends, its realization, it is taken over by partner Darshan for rupees 55,000. So Darshan's capital account will be debited and realization account will be credited. So here it is, Darshan's capital / current account debit to realization account rupees 55,000, being partner Darshan taken machine. Okay, next one. Second transaction, partner Vimal has accepted to pay bills payable rupees 15,000. Friends, bills payable is a liability, so first of all we will close it by transferring it to realization account. Now liabilities are having credit balance, so to close it we will have to debit it and realization account will be credited. And later on, as Vimal has taken that, means Vimal has accepted to pay, so Vimal's capital or current account will be credited and realization account will be debited. So here the entries are. Second one, bills payable account debit to realization account 15,000, being bills payable account is closed and transferred to realization account, and for its payment, that is which is accepted by partner, entry will be realization account debit to Vimal's capital / current account, being partner Vimal accepted to pay bills payable account. Okay, next transaction. Transaction number 3 says past bad debts was written off rupees 11,000, out of which rupees 6,000 are recovered. So friends, past bad debts now recovered, it is known as bad debts recovered. So here on entry will be with rupees 6,000 only, which is recovered as bad debts recovered. Now only this is dissolution of a firm, so bad debts recovered account will not be open here. The amount will be debited to cash and bank account as it is received, and then it will be credited to realization account. Keep in mind, be careful while giving effect of this transaction. If the same is asked at the time of admission or retirement or reconstruction, then entry will be different. Entry will be cash and bank account debit to bad debts recovered account and bad debts recovered account debit to revaluation account. But if it is at the time of dissolution, which is now we are doing, it will be debited to cash and bank account and credited to realization account. Okay, so here the entry is cash account debit to realization account, being bad debts recovered. Next transaction, 4 number, book value of sundry asset is 2,70,000 and realized 2,27,000. Friends, sundry assets will be closed by crediting them and debiting realization account, and then cash account will be debited and realization account will be credited for its realized amount. Okay, so 2 entries will be there. Here are the entries. Transaction number 4, entry number 1, realization account debit to sundry asset account 2,70,000, being sundry assets account is closed and transferred to realization account. And then second, cash and bank account debit to realization account being sundry assets realized 2,27,000. Okay, next transaction. Next transaction is about sundry creditors rupees 60,000 paid at 25% discount. So friends, sundry creditors are liability which will be closed first by transferring them to realization account, and then it will be paid off by debiting realization account and crediting cash account at 25% discount. Okay, so the first entry will be sundry creditor to realization. Here it is. Creditors account debit to realization account rupees 60,000. How much? 60,000. Okay. Now friends, keep in mind one thing, that it is paid off at 25% discount. So 25% discount we will find, and we will directly deduct from the amount, and the remaining amount will be the realized value for which we will be passing entry. There will be no entry for discount. So first of all, we will calculate 25% of 60,000, that comes rupees 15,000, and when I deduct 15,000 from 60,000, I get 45,000. 45,000 rupees we will pass the entry, and which will be this: realization account to cash/bank account being creditors paid at 25% discount. Okay friends, next transaction, transaction number 6. Transaction number 6 says unrecorded tax paid rupees 5,000. Friends, unrecorded taxes, that means they are not in the book, so no need to close them. We will only pass one entry for making the payment of that. So it will be debited to realization account and credited to cash/bank account. So here it is. Sixth transaction, realization account debit to cash/bank account being unrecorded tax paid. Next transaction says dissolution expenses paid rupees 5,000. Friends, dissolution expense paid by firm 5,000. Only one entry will be there. Realization account will be debited and cash and bank account will be credited. So here the entry is. Realization account debit to cash/bank account rupees 5,000, entry number 7. Okay. Now next transaction. Next transaction is the last transaction for this question. Goodwill is not disclosed in the books, but rupees 20,000 realized from sale of it at the time of dissolution. Friends, goodwill is an intangible asset and it is not there in the book, so no entry to close it, because it is not there, we won't close it. But it is realized 20,000, so we will be passing an entry for its realization, which will be realization account credited and cash and bank account debited. So here the entry is cash/bank account debited to realization account being goodwill realized 20,000. So here are some number. 6 comes to an end, right? From next lecture we will be doing some numbers 7 to 10, and some numbers 7 to 10 are not there in your syllabus for this particular academic year 2020-21. Okay, they are excluded from your syllabus, but we will be doing for your knowledge and information. Thank you.